Today I'm gonna show you how to make this light changing plant from scratch. I started with bright cardboard, which I folded and started to cut into the shape of leaves. In order to make the plant a little bit more interesting, I cut different shapes and sizes of leaves. Although it's not natural, to me it looks nicer. Then, on each leaf, I started to draw lines to make it look more realistic. To make the leaves even more realistic with a 3D shape, I made a groove on their backside in order to fold them so I can give them more of this leafy shape. I then started cutting copper wire, and this copper wire is about 1 millimeter thick. The copper wires are going to form the twigs. After gluing the leaves to the copper wires with a masking tape, I started to bend all the wires around each other to form a thicker twig. In order to give more volume to the main twig, I started wrapping it with masking tape. And since the plan is to project video on that sculpture, it all has to be completely white. So I started painting all the twigs and all the backsides of the leaves, so everything has the same color. I used an existing white ceramic pot. What imitates the earth inside the pot is a white cardboard disc with a hole inside it. I then started tracing the shape of the leaves on a video mapping software, and this is something I'm going to show you on the next video. So, if you'd like to learn more about video mapping on objects, check out the next video, which I'm going to post very soon. A like to this video will be very appreciated, it helps me very much, and don't forget to follow to stay tuned. Thank you.